Hello dear student, today we will discuss about integers. See, integers, here I have written some numbers, 53 minus 21 plus 1 by 2, 0 minus 50% plus 4 plus 90 plus 1.24 minus 3.4. Some numbers we use in daily life. So among that, who are the integers that we have to verify? Suppose you see 53, it is the integer, minus 21, it is the integer, but plus 1 by 2 is not integer, it is a fraction. 0 is the integer, minus 50%. So percent means minus 50 by 100. This you have to keep in mind. So it is a fraction again, it is not a integer. So plus 4, it is an integer, plus 90, it is an integer, but 1.24 is not a integer, it is a decimal fraction. Minus 3.4, you can understand that it is a decimal fraction. So in this way, in daily life, we use these integers and we have to understand them. The meaning of integers, you see, on this thermometer, integers are shown 0, 10, 20, 30, 0, below 0, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. So positive integers at the up, and below 0 there are negative integers. This is the meaning of integers. You can see here above 0, 20, 40, 60, and below 0, minus 20, minus 40, like this it is shown. The fish are shown here because 0 is the sea level. This is the meaning. This is for your understanding. Now integers. Integers are whole numbers that describe the idea of opposite numbers in mathematics. So what is meant by opposite numbers? You can understand by the integers. Integers can either positive, negative, or 0. There are three types of integers, as I told you, positive, negative, or 0. The integers 0 is a neutral. It has no sign, positive or negative. That's why it is neutral. It is neither positive nor negative, but it is an integer. It is called 0. The integer can be represented on number line, which can help us to understand the value of the integers. So what is the value of that integer that we understand on number line? Integer has two things, its sign and its value. So suppose you take positive integers, they are where they live on the number line, they live at the right side of the 0, and they are valued greater than 0. All they are greater than 0 means they are at the right side. Suppose you have to express the idea of gain, going up, profit. These things we express as positive things in our life. In 6th class we have studied this. Going up means positive, gain means profit. It is positive. The sign for positive integers is always plus. However, the sign is always needed? No, it's not needed. We can write simply 3 instead of plus 3. Plus 5 we are not writing every time. In bank we go, give me plus 500 rupees, you have to withdraw. No, we simply ask 500, we have to withdraw. So every time writing sign in positive numbers is not necessary. But in negative integers, they are at the left of the 0. At the left side of the 0, all negative integers, and their values are less than 0. Means all are less than 0. Then if we have to go down, there is some down position, loss, we lost the game, we lose the game, there is a down, there is a loss, we indicate this using negative sign. The sign for negative integer is minus. The sign is always needed. Minus 3 you have to write, then preferably you have to write minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, like this. So in this way you can understand this. Now come to the integer line. This is the integer line, 0, positive integers and negative integers, you can see. And integers, again you can see on thermometer, plus 10 degrees centigrade, it is positive integer, plus 10 degree, it is greater than 0. And you see, suppose minus 10 degrees centigrade is the temperature, then it is below 0. So we can say that it is negative. The temperature below 0 is negative and the temperature above 0 is positive. The temperature in Leh, Ladakh and Shimla, sometime it is negative, below zero, very cold places. Then we indicate them through negative sign. Then you can see the idea of integers above zero, above sea level is indicates zero, and above them all are positive. And below sea level and above sea level, here in this, through this diagram you can understand the position of the integers in our daily life. Integers we are using for cricket score, golf score. So in football also, counting the goals, we are using the integers, 3 goals, 4 goals, like this. Then now you see here, to understand this, in 6th class you have studied black buttons and white button. One activity was there in try this, that we have studied in class 6. Here also you take the yellow dots are negative integers and red dots are positive integers. Then one positive and one negative, both are opposite to each other. So plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled, means red and yellow 0, plus 1 red and 1 0, minus 1 is 0. Then what is left? One yellow dot is left, and yellow dot means minus 1. Now what is the answer? 1 red means positive and 5 negative, means 1 red and 1 yellow goes, so it comes 4 dots of negative, means minus 4. In this way you can understand 5 dots of positive means plus 5 and 2 dots of negative means minus 2. So 2 negative and 2 positive goes, then what is left? 3 positive. Like this you can understand through this activity. Again 3 positive dots means 3 red dots and 6 yellow dots. So 3 and 3 goes, then 3 yellow dots left. So 3 yellow dot means again you get minus 3. So in this way, through this activity, you can understand the operation of the integers, negative and positive, how it happens. You can see 2 yellow dot means minus 2 and 4 red dots means plus 4, and then this 2 red and 2 yellow goes, then plus 2 is left. So you can understand this. Now opposite integers, this is very important concept. Plus 3, at the right side 3 units distance there is a plus 3 of the 0 at the right side. Then 3 unit distance from the 0 to the left is minus 3. So they are called opposite numbers of each other. They are opposite to each other. So plus 3 opposite number is minus 3. Minus 3 opposite number is plus 3. Then minus 5 opposite number is plus 5. Like this you have to understand this concept of opposite numbers, and they lie same distance from the 0 to the left and to the right. Now you can see here opposite number concept through these dots, red dots and yellow dots. Red are positive, yellow are negative, then it is 0. So then 2 red 2 yellow becomes 0. 1 red 1 yellow becomes 0. So sum of two opposite number is always 0. Now opposite integer. Opposite integer always have net worth 0, means their sum is 0. So this is called 0 principle. Opposite integers have same absolute value. The meaning the distance from the point on a number line to the 0 is the same, means plus 3 is 3 unit distance at the right, minus 3 at the 3 unit distance from the left of the 0, means both they have same distance from the 0. Every integer represents the magnitude and direction. What is meant by magnitude? Magnitude means its power. Plus 3, minus 3. Minus 3 means negative. Plus 3 means positive. So magnitude means its sign. And direction. Direction means at which direction it stays. Plus 3, where it stays? At the right side. Minus 3, where it stays? From the 0, at the left side. Now comparing the integer. Which has a higher value, minus 4 or minus 8. On the number line you can see here minus 4 or minus 8, who is greater? The number which is at the right side of the number line, they are greater than the left side. So this minus 4 is at the right of the minus 8. So minus 4 is greater and minus 8 is smaller. So who is the greater than all negative integer? 0 is the greater. Then who is the greatest negative integer? Minus 1 is the greatest negative integer. Now you can see here with this illustration, 3 is greater or 2 is greater. So 3 is greater than 2. 2 is greater than 1. 1 is greater than 0. 0 is greater than minus 1. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Like this you can understand. Then you will ask, sir, what about minus 100 and minus 1? Minus 1 is the greater than minus 100. This you have to keep in mind. Now comparing integers. Now you can see here minus 5 is the integer line can be used to compare the integers. 5 is the left of the minus 3, so that's why minus 5 is less than minus 3 and minus 3 is greater. So we can compare the minus 5 and minus 3. So minus 3 is greater. The number which are at the right side, it is greater. That you have to keep in mind. Comparing integer. The integer can be used to compare the number line can be used to compare the integers. You can see here 1 is greater or minus 3 is greater. So 1 is greater because it is at the right side of the minus 3 and it is always greater. Positive integer is always greater than negative integer. From all negative integer, 0 is greater. Now using the number line you can compare minus 6, 7, who is greater? 12, 3, who is greater? Minus 5, minus 8, who is greater? Minus 11, minus 15, who is greater? So you note down these examples and you can solve for better practice to understand comparing of integers. You can note down this, and further if we proceed, use of integers. You see on the graph we are using the integer, positive integers, negative integers, positive integer again, negative integer, x-axis, y-axis. On the graph we are using the integers. This is shown for use of integers in our daily life. On the graph scale we are using the integers to locate the point in the plane. In 6th class we have studied these graphs. So comparing integers again, one more exercise I am giving you. Minus 6, 7, minus 7, minus 4, 8, 7. You have to use the sign and write who is greater. Using number line you can see who is at the right side, that is greater on the number line. So use the number line and solve the examples who is greater. Some example, 5 less than 2 means which number is 5 less than 2. So from 2 you start to the left. You have to go for to find the less number 5 places. So 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. At the 5th place we found minus 3. So minus 3 is the number which is 5 less than 2. In this way you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the 5th place there is a minus 3 which is the number which is 5 units less than 2. In this way you can understand this. Now comparing integers again, you can compare this and you can see here what we have studied today. One positive integers means red dot and negative integers means yellow. So what is the answer? Minus 4. 4 red dots means positive 4. 3 yellow dots means negative integer. So 3 3 cancel, positive 1 left. So like this you can understand. Comparing integers, who is greater? Tell me. Minus 5, minus 8, 0, minus 3, 3, 2, who is greater? Now you can see here on the graph, on this quadrant we have used the integers. All they are integers on the graph. So in this way today we have got idea of an integer. Thank you very much.